Okay, good afternoon, guys. In this video, we will see how to update vehicle stock in DMS. Okay, so for that, click on vehicle sales. Right now, the stock will be updated in DMS through vehicle purchase GR. Okay, so click on vehicle purchase GR. In vehicle purchase GR, you need to click on entry. Okay, now see, to enter vehicle stock in DMS, there are two things. So the first thing is how to enter the existing stock in DMS. If you want to enter existing stock in DMS, you will have to enter all the details manually. Okay, I'm talking about first old stock, how to update your old unsold stock in DMS. Guys, make sure that you are entering unsold stock in DMS. Okay, so for that, just enter the invoice date, OEM invoice date which you got from Okinawa. So enter OEM invoice number first, then OEM invoice date enter. And if you are entering the data manually, if you are entering your existing stock manually, you don't need to click on this get invoice data. Don't click on get invoice data. You just directly enter the models manually. So these models will be available on your purchase invoice. So just enter the model. Okay, enter the quantity, how many quantity you have right now in your stock. Enter the rate. This rate also will available on your invoice. Okay, this is without GST. So enter the rate, amount will come automatically. Okay, so let's say for example under this invoice number you have 10 vehicles. Okay, you purchase 10 vehicles under this invoice number, but right now you have only 3 vehicles in your hand. You sold 7 vehicles. So in DMS you have to update only 3 vehicles details. Okay, so you don't need to enter sold vehicle data. You will be entering only unsold vehicle data in DMS. Okay, so enter the model, quantity, and then rate. Amount will come automatically. Similarly, if you have one more model right under this invoice, so similarly select another model, enter the quantity, then rate how much rate will be there on the invoice. That rate you enter in the DMS, amount will come automatically. Now under expenses in tax side, you need to enter GST percentage. Okay, so since on all vehicles 5% GST is applicable, so you need to select here GST percentage. If it is IGST, enter IGST 5%. If it is CGST, SGST, so enter CGST 2.5 and HGST 2.5 in another line like this. If IGST 5% is applicable, you just select IGST 5% here and enter the consolidate amount. Okay, so 5% of this total vehicle amount, right? So you just calculate the 5% of this total vehicle amount and enter it over here. So I am entering just random amount here. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. So under tax heads, you have to enter these things, right? So after entering these details, you just save this. As soon as you save it, system will ask you to enter VIN details, chassis details. So model wise details you have to enter here manually. See, since this is existing data, you will have to enter the details manually. Okay, so enter model, battery, model number, motor number, battery number, then controller number, charger number. Okay, if you don't know year and month, just leave it blank. If vehicle has only one battery, just enter only one battery number. keep all other battery numbers blank, right? So similarly, we'll enter the another VIN number for this model, right? So this is how you have to update your chassis details. And once you update all these chassis details, you just need to save it. And that's it, we are done. Okay. So this is how we need to update existing vehicle stock. Now, what about new vehicle stock? For example, if you order some vehicles, when those vehicle comes to you physically at your location, you need to update those vehicle into DMS, right? So again, for that, what we'll do, we can navigate from new transaction also. Okay. So same option we are getting under new transaction, that is vehicle purchase GR. So click on vehicle purchase GR. For new vehicle, if you want to update the stock of new vehicles which you have ordered, so for that the system is automated. All you need to do is to enter invoice number, invoice date, and then in that case you just click on get invoice data. So as soon as you click on get invoice data, system will fetch all the details like model, quantity, rate, amount, tax rates, everything system will fetch it. You just need to save it, that's it. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you guys.